Hello. This is where I came from. The road's way over there against the, close to that hill. I walked through all that. And there's some briars and brambles and stuff like that. And this is where I came out to. Crescent City's back that way. And nobody wants to deal with this place in a storm. I'm completely isolated. But kind of hard to find that trail, but there's nothing dangerous there. I don't even think I'd run into a bear. Elk don't bother people. There's no snakes. Here's looking the other direction. Nice little place to chill. There's an overlook. Way, way, way back over there is the overlook. Now right here, if we do look down, well, you can't really tell, but this path that I'm on, it's kind of on an overhang. So this spot right here is undermined, and there's actually no soil underneath it at all. It's been washed away, and I need to step back just for my own safety from the edge. And we got a little storm, some rain coming. Very nice day. Private spot. Absolutely beautiful.